Park has been a public park since 1880, so it has a long and fun history. Ice skating, dancing, swimming, amusement rides, rodeos, fishing, wrestling matches, bicycle races, even monkeys have been featured at the park for the entertainment and amusement of area residents. This stadium was originally built to host Weber State football games. Now it hosts our famous rodeo. A Ferris wheel was added to the park in the late 40s as part of a kiddie land that also featured a carousel, train, whip-style ride, and a boat ride. In the 1980s, the Rampage water slide was added to the pool that was later made famous by the CPR kiss between Squints and Wendy Peppercorn in the movie The Sandlot. 140 years later, you can still find area residents enjoying the park. Woo!